Welcome to my new course, Delta PLC Simulation Unlocked. This course is specially designed for those who do not have a PLC but want to learn and integrate PLC simulation projects with various tools like Factory.io, Simomatic, HMI, Node-RED, Broker running on the cloud, etc. The reason I created this course is my long-standing relationship with Delta PLCs. Back in 2008, I began working with Delta PLCs to program a packaging machine and realized it is one of the most easiest PLC to learn. In India, most automatic systems are still equipped with Delta PLC. Recently, I discovered how to connect Delta PLC simulation with HMI simulation, create dashboard on Node-RED, SCADA, Grafana, or to connect the data to MQready brokers like HiveMQ without the need of any hardware PLC. This presents an amazing opportunity for those who want to kickstart their training using free-to-use softwares. In this course, I'm not teaching about PLC programming but how to connect the PLC simulation via Modbus, OPC-UA and MQTT to third-party tools, thereby expanding the knowledge curve. Want to learn more? Explore this course in our website today. I'll see you in the course.